Alright, so how's it going, YouTube? Got the Arrma Kraton back out. So I did get my diff gasket. The center diff gasket was blown, so it had no fluid in it. So I went ahead and put 200K in there. Also, one of my rear shock bladders was busted, so I went ahead and replaced that. And my front left shock shaft was bent. So now that we got all that squared away, we'll go ahead and get a bash in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Also glued one of the front left tires, but hopefully it holds up. I ain't have enough glue to finish the job, but I wanted to get a run in. See how the 200K hold up in the diff, and make sure she right. Stay tuned, guys. Dude, this is the third one. Anyway, GPS zeroed out. I'm gonna start it. Time I think I stopped it. Alright, it started now. Making sure it's working. Yeah, it's working. So it's an off-road speed run. I did this like 3 times, but the GPS keep falling off, so hopefully it stay on now. Alright, y'all, here we come. Oh, see the GPS. Seen the GPS. I bet you it shut off too. She was getting it though. She was getting it. Well, hopefully it fall in that hole. Uh-oh. Yeah, it shut off. I see what it did. $45. Anyway, let's gotta get the bashing in. See that foam coming out? Gotta glue that one back on. We'll take it easy though. We're just gonna float this one. We're gonna float it. Ooh. Get one more in because I don't want to blow up my tire. Thought that was a piece of my tire just came out. I can't resist. She's running too good. Oh. 92. We'll go ahead and call it a wrap. So far, I'm liking the everything is done, which is the gasket, the bladder, and the front shock shaft. Everything is good so far. Definitely need a new body. I think I'm gonna go with a little less stronger weight. Right now I think I'm running 80, so I'm gonna probably put 60. Try that, because right now it's coming up kind of stiff but slow, and I want it to sit a little higher. I want it to be like this, you know. So I think I'm gonna have to rebuild these shocks again, really sit up like a monster truck. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you guys. Happy holidays.